Always take a full backup before making any system change. Data safety first. Hey guys, how you doing? This is your friend Tom, and today I'm going to show you how to find out what is the latest Mac OS version that you can install on your computer. I have a MacBook Pro 15-inch. Right now I'm using Mac OS Sequoia 15.5. So how do I know if I can install a higher Mac OS version on this computer? If you go to System Setting and click Software Updates, you can see available update is 15.7.1 for installation. It need click on Update now. Click on Agreed. Here we go. Hold on a bit, it depends on your computer and the internet speed. Might as well enjoy your coffee while it updates. The system reboot once it's all done. All sorted now. Simply log in, go to your system settings, and tap on Software Update. You should spot the latest macOS Sequoia version 15.7. Follow for more awesome Mac, iOS, and Windows tips. Thanks for watching this video.